Welcome to this GCSE revision question on histograms. This is a 3-mark question, so ideally should take us 3 minutes. It might take us longer than that because obviously I explain certain bits as I go along, but let's take a crack at it and see what's going on. Read the question first. Histogram shows information about the ages of the members of a football supporters club. Does it though? Well, I can see the ages there, but there are no numbers on the frequency density axis. Ew, that's a bit dodgy. Anyway, here we go. There are 20 members aged between 25 and 30. Ooh, that's important. So let's put that in and see where that puts us. This 25 and 30 has got 20 members in there. Now you may remember, like I said, this is revision, so hopefully you get the idea, that the frequency density is equal to the frequency divided by the class width. Now, they have already given me the frequency. They told me it's 20 people in that group. The class width is 5 because the class width is the distance between there and there. And so, therefore, that's going to be 20 divided by 5, which is going to be 4. So it means that the frequency density there is 4. And if it is 4, it helps me work the rest out because that's going to be 2, this is going to be 1, that's going to be 3, just by using the scale that they've given me there. And that also means things like this. Like, for example, this one here, that's going to be 0.7 because that's 0.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 1, and 1.1, and so on. So always check your scale. All right. Now we've got that going. It says, one member of the club at random is chosen. Oh no, they're about to ask me a probability question. And because they've chosen someone at random, I need to know how many people we've got in total. And to work that out, we need to work out the area of each of these bars. So now that we know what's going up here in this particular bar, so I'm gonna try and just go, was that 0.7 times 10? So there are 7 people in here. And then in the second bar here, this is 15 there. See, that goes from 10 to 25, that's 15. So in that second bar, it's going to be 2 times 15, which means 30 people in that bar. Let me circle them so I know what I'm adding up at the end. And then in this bar here, this is 20. It goes from 30 to 50. And this is what? 2.6 there. Yeah, 2.5, 2.6. So that's going to be, select a pen. 20 times 2.6. That's going to be 52 people in there. And then finally, we have got a whopping great big 30 here. 10, 20, 30. And we're multiplying that by 0.123. I reckon that's 0.3. You can even count it here. Anyway, so that's 30. Let's write that in. Oh, pen first. 30 times 0.3, which equals to 9. All right, so that means that my total is going to be, let's add them all up. Thought I should just get that going. And then finally, what is the probability that this random person that you have chosen is more than 30 years old? So I want the probability that the person I've chosen is greater than 30 years of age. Let's have a look and see what's going on. How many people have I got? I've got 52 people here that's older than 30, and then another 9. So that brings me to 61. So that means that there are 61 people out of 118 people who are older than 30 years of age. And that brings us to the end of this question. If you got it, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe below for more content like this.